channel.
YouTube?
Please
You don't
like
even
and
have
share.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Talaga?
Yes, this is a YouTube channel.
That's not a YouTube channel.
You don't know.
Your
This is a YouTube channel.
That's not even anything. That's just a YouTube. That's
Yes,
just
this is.
YouTube.
Okay, you can see that. This is my YouTube channel.
Everybody with a perfect.
Okay, tingnan mo Hana, kaka-upload ko lang kanina, 1.1 na agad. Tingnan mo, dali. Di ba ang daming views ni tita?
Yeah, sure, marami.
Tingnan mo, dami kong views, di ba?
Pagkain pa nga.
Yung pagkain natin yan,
Gumawa ka ng smoothie. Saan yan? Sa banyo?
In the kitchen! Sa banyo na.
In the kitchen. The
Yeah.
kitchen doesn't look like that.
Because it's not here.
Saan yan?
Sa Taiwan.
Ah, you said you don't know how to make smoothies.
Smoothie. That's smoothie.
That's a smoothie.
Yeah.
Can we make a smoothie?
Because I don't know what is the smoothie. I know how to make shake. Fruit shake. What?
Tita, can we make a smoothie here?
Smooth
In
here?
our life,
Where?
in our life, can we make a smoothie?
Where?
Today.
Today?
Yeah.
Why today?
Please. Ano ginagawa mo?
Cooking broccoli and
Broccoli.
cauliflower. Butter
Why?
stream.
Why do you have to live?
Yeah.
Tita, can you make a smoothie in this video right now?
What?
Yeah.
You see, please say hello and thank you.
Yeah, but please. But please.
What?
Can we just make a smoothie right now?
Not now. Tomorrow. Ating gabi na, madaling araw na eh.
It's literally 10 p.m.
10 p.m. and
So that's still night time.
10 p.m. and
in the night.
the
You
night.
call that morning? Like 10 a.m. is morning. 10 a.m. is morning.
Okay. After 1 hour, I will end my life.
Literally 1 hour.
Yeah.
Oh
Only 1
my.
hour. 1 hour live stream. Tulog na tayo.
Oh my. Oh my.
1 hour.
Wait, can we take ano?
Ang dumi ng aming
Can we
pinto.
take
Ito
16
yung
hours here?
puro kamay ng bata yan.
Di ako ang may bata!
Bata. Hindi ikaw bata. Ano ka? Matanda.
I'm actually a little ghost.
May diaper ka na ba? Hindi ka pa
Oo!
Nag-diaper ka na?
Nag-diaper na ako.
O bago ka matulog, mag-ihi ka muna. Para mamaya hindi ka
May
maihi.
diaper na nga.
O kahit pa, para hindi ka maiisaygaan. Para hindi ka na
May
nagda-diaper.
diaper
Di ba?
ako.
2 a.m. Di ba 2 a.m. ka na natutulog?
Oo.
O, iihi ka muna sa banyo para hindi ka na
I mean, today
maihi.
I'm gonna...
Pag wake up mo sa umaga, dun ka na lang CCR, di ba?
Do you know
Dapat
that...
bago matulog, mag-ihi
Tita?
ka na.
Do you know
What?
that today... hanggang
Hanggang
3
what?
p.m. ako.
What? 3 a.m. in the morning?
No, hanggang 3 a.m. ako.
Oh.
Nanonood ng gabi.
What? Thank you sa paharang, Ate Wilma. You say hello. Thank you
Wilma
sa
Dinda!
paharang. Tita Wilma, say hello.
Girl,
Thank you sa paharang, Tita
Hello!
Wilma. Bilis.
hello Wilmo.
Not Wilma, Tita Wilma.
I said Wilmo. If I said Wilmo, her name is Wilma.
Tita Wilma, say hello.
Okay. I'm gonna do like a different hairstyle that you never even know.
How to
that
call
is.
this hairstyle?
Like, you gotta like keep it here.
Bro, yan eh.
Bro, though. Yeah, you